So, hi guys. It's me again, Chinay, or call me Chin. Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Kung bago sa YouTube channel ko, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa next video ko. So, before we start with our topic tonight is ano yung laman ng wallet ko. So, let's start guys. Pabilisan. Pabilisang topic. So, I got this one. 1/4 dinar. Actually, Kuwait money. Kung bakit ako may Kuwait money? Kasi every year pumunta kami ng Kuwait with my madam. Kasi si madam ko from Kuwait. So, nagpapa-change ako ng Saudi Riyal to Kuwait money. So, I have a 1 dinar again. And I have nung nagta-train ako ng OWA. I have Kuwait money again is 1 dinar. Yeah. And I have a very old picture. I'm so ugly here. Bakit na pagka-picture? I have 20 pesos from Philippines. 20 pesos. And again, my peso ID. Loading yung music natin. Again, my old picture. My old picture. when I was to apply. And I have a picture of my sister, by the way. My eldest sister. So, shout out sa kanya. She's in Laguna now, Manila, Laguna. Hi sa'yo, sister. So, see you next year. And I have 5 pesos. Philippine money. And I have 1 pesos Philippine money. And again, I have 500 pesos Philippine money. I got this since last year kasi tinago ko lang. Nung umuwi ako, nag-vacation ako last year. Like, may fee. Ano ba yun? Ticket fee, ganun. I got 600 ba yun? 5, ganun. So, I have, again, Philippine money, I have 100 pesos. And I have Saudi Riyal, 1 Riyal. $1. Again, I have 1/4 Kuwait money. Tapos, so, my wallet is empty now. Actually, matagal na to siya. It's like 7 to 8 years. Tinatago ko lang siya. Nung I buy this nung nag-work ako sa Manila before. So, it's very old na pero magbago pa. Bago pa siya kasi iniingatan ko, 'di ba? Maganda siya, guys. So, maganda siya as in. Kahit 6 years, 7 years, it's still new. Tsaka maganda talaga siya. Inaamoy pa. So, yeah, guys, by the way, before I end my video, I would like to say thank you sa mga bagong friends ko, sa mga BLS. Thank you, guys, and keep supporting each other. And bago matapos yung video ko, I would like to shout out my pogi na boyfriend. Thank you for supporting me and thank you for always pushing me kung ano yung gusto ko, kung ano yung goal ko. You always supporting me and pushing me. Even nag-break up tayo ng 4 times and tignan mo naman ngayon, we are still we still together and holding on. Kumanta pa. So, yun. And, yeah. And, again, thank you. And see you next year. And stay strong. Yun lang masasabi ko kay Pogi. So, bye, guys. It's the end of the video. Again, don't forget to subscribe me and support my channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell para updated kayo sa next video ko. Thank you, guys!